By the end of this video, you'll feel more confident speaking in restaurants and answering IELTS speaking questions about food and eating out.
Welcome to Fluent English Daily, the professional way to master the English.
Have you ever gone to a restaurant and suddenly felt nervous because you didn't know what to say in English?
You know you want to eat, but when the server comes, your mind goes blank.
You start worrying about making mistakes, sounding rude, or not understanding the questions.
And the same fear shows up in IELTS speaking.
You know the topic, but you don't know how to respond naturally.
In this video, we'll fix that.
You'll learn how to handle a full restaurant conversation in English.
From walking in, ordering food, dealing with small problems,
to paying and leaving, calmly and confidently.
all with simple, natural English you can actually use.
And the best part?
These same conversations will help you answer IELTS speaking questions more smoothly.
Hello everyone, and welcome to Fluent English Daily.
Today's lesson is IELTS Speaking Master Restaurant Conversation.
Let's get started. John, let me ask you something.
Okay.
Do you enjoy eating out?
Yeah, I do. I really like trying new food and going to different places.
But how do you feel about ordering in English?
Honestly, I still get a little nervous sometimes.
Even now?
Yeah, especially when the server speaks fast or asks unexpected questions.
That's exactly how many learners feel.
And it's the same feeling in the IELTS speaking test.
Right, the examiner might ask you about restaurants or food.
But the real challenge is responding naturally, not perfectly.
So instead of memorizing answers today,
We're going to practice one complete restaurant experience.
from the moment you walk in,
To ordering, asking questions, handling small problems.
to finally paying and leaving.
If you can do this in English,
You can handle many IELTS speaking questions with more confidence.
so don't think of this as a test.
Think of it as real-life practice.
All right, let's go to our restaurant.
All right, John, let's imagine this.
Okay, I'm ready.
It's early evening, you've had a long day, and you're pretty hungry.
That already sounds real.
You're walking down a small street, and you see a cozy restaurant.
Nice. I like cozy places.
Take a breath. You open the door. Hello, welcome.
Hi.
How many people?
Just one. A table for one, please.
Of course. Please follow me.
Thank you.
Is this table okay for you?
Yes, this is great. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Your server will be with you shortly. How did that feel?
Honestly, not bad at all.
That's because you didn't try to say too much.
Yeah, I just answered the question and kept it simple.
Exactly. Clear and polite is always enough.
Okay, I'm sitting down and looking at the menu.
Good. Let's see what happens next. All right, Jonan, you're seated now.
Yeah, I'm looking at the menu. There are a lot of options.
That's normal. You don't have to decide right away. Here's your menu.
Thank you.
Can I get you something to drink?
Just water for now, please.
Sure. Still or sparkling?
Still, please.
No problem. I'll be right back. See how easy that was?
Yeah, I didn't feel rushed.
And that's an important feeling.
Because if I stay calm, the words come more easily.
Exactly. You're not trying to impress anyone.
I'm just having a normal conversation.
And that's exactly what the IELTS examiner wants to hear, too.
Okay, I'm relaxed. Let's keep going.
All right, John. You've had some time with the menu.
Yeah, but honestly, I'm still deciding. Everything looks good.
That's completely fine. In real life, this happens all the time.
Okay, someone's coming over.
Here comes the question everyone knows. Are you ready to order?
Not yet. We need a few more minutes, please.
No problem at all. Take your time.
That sentence feels really useful.
It is. It gives you space, both in real life and in an exam.
All right, now I'm ready.
What would you like?
I think I'll have the grilled chicken, please.
Sure. And what would you like as a side? Rice or salad?
I'll go with the salad, please.
Good choice. Would you like anything else?
No, that's all for now. Thank you.
All right, I'll put that order in for you.
That actually felt very natural.
Because you weren't trying to say too much.
Yeah, I didn't explain my whole life story.
Exactly. Clear, simple answers are more than enough.
I feel much more comfortable now.
Good. Let's see what happens during the meal. All right, John, your food has arrived.
It looks good.
Take a bite.
Okay.
Something's wrong?
It's not terrible, but the chicken is a little cold.
And this is where many learners panic.
Yeah, because I don't want to sound rude.
You don't have to. Just stay calm and polite.
Excuse me?
Yes?
Sorry, the chicken is a bit cold. Could you heat it up, please?
Oh, I'm sorry about that. I'll take care of it right away.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
See? That was very natural.
Yeah, I didn't complain. I just explained the problem.
Exactly. Small problems are actually great speaking practice.
Because I have to explain something clearly.
And politely.
And without long sentences.
That's why this is so useful for IELTS speaking.
It feels like real communication, not a test answer.
Perfect. Let's continue with the meal. All right, John, your food is hot now.
Much better, thank you.
Take a few more bites.
Yeah, this is really good now.
Good. And while you're eating, there are usually small things you might need.
Right, like more water. Excuse me,
Yes?
can I have some more water, please?
Of course.
And actually, could I get some ketchup as well?
Sure. I'll bring it right over.
This part feels very casual.
It is. These are short, everyday requests.
I don't need perfect English here.
No, you just need to be clear and polite.
And if I need something else, I can ask again.
Exactly. That's how real conversations work. All right, John, you're almost done with your meal.
Yeah, I'm feeling pretty full now.
That's usually when this question comes. Can I get you anything else? Dessert or coffee?
No, thank you. I'm good. Can I have the check, please?
Sure, I'll bring it right over. Here you go.
Thank you.
Do you take credit cards?
Yes, we do. Great.
Whenever you're ready.
All right, here you go.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Have a nice evening.
You too. Take care.
That felt very smooth.
Because you followed the same pattern as before.
Simple questions, simple answers.
And polite language.
Exactly.
Okay, John, let's step out of the restaurant for a moment.
All right.
Now, imagine you're sitting in the IELTS speaking test.
I'm a little nervous already.
That's normal, but listen to this question. Do you like eating out?
Yes, I do. I enjoy eating out because it's relaxing and I like trying different kinds of food.
Good. That sounded natural. Now, another one. Tell me about a restaurant you like.
There is a small restaurant near my house that I really like. The food is simple, the staff are friendly, and I always feel comfortable ordering there.
Perfect. You didn't try to be fancy.
I just talked about my experience.
Exactly. That's what the examiner wants. Now it's your turn to speak. Repeat with me. Don't worry about being perfect.
A table for one, please. Just water for now, please. We need a few more minutes, please. I'll have the grilled chicken, please. Excuse me, this is a bit cold. Could you heat it up, please? Can I have the check, please?
Good. Say it out loud if you can.
Your mouth needs practice, not just your eyes.
Now let's try a short IELTS style answer together. Here's the question. Do you prefer eating at home or eating out?
I prefer eating out sometimes because I don't have to cook and it feels more relaxing after a long day.
That's a great answer.
Simple, clear, and honest.
Exactly. That's all you need. So today, you didn't study grammar rules.
You practiced real communication.
You went through a full restaurant experience in English.
From walking in, to ordering, to paying and leaving.
And if you can do this,
You can handle many IELTS speaking questions with confidence.
remember, you don't need perfect English.
You just need clear and polite English.
Practice a little every day, even just 5 minutes.
Say the sentences out loud.
Make mistakes.
That's how fluency grows.
Thank you for spending your time learning with us today.
If you found this lesson helpful, let us know in the comments.
Tell us your favorite food to order at a restaurant.
We read your comments and they really help the channel.
And if you're preparing for IELTS,
Keep practicing real conversations like this.
we believe in you.
See you in the next lesson.
Bye, everyone.